Thrill.com electronic wallet honest review. Watch before using. Most people think sending money internationally is slow and expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when a digital wallet makes global transfers fast, cheap, and secure. Thrill is an online electronic wallet that allows users to send and receive money, store funds, and make online payments. It's widely used for e-commerce, freelancing, and gaming platforms. The surprising truth about Skrill is that it supports instant transactions in over 100 currencies, including cryptocurrency. You can also link a prepaid card for instant access to funds worldwide. Most people get this wrong. They assume online wallets are risky or limited. Skrill uses two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring to keep your funds secure. Skrill is best for people who need fast international payments, online purchases, or simple money management without relying on a traditional bank account. The surprising truth is that an e-wallet like Skrill can save you time, reduce fees, and simplify global payments if used wisely. Subscribe for more honest e-wallet and financial service reviews to help you manage money smarter.